Alright, in this problem we have an initial velocity of negative 3 meters per second. Let's just write a starting speed of negative 3. Then you experience an acceleration of positive 2.5 meters per second squared. And you do that for an elapsed time of 9 seconds. What is your new speed? If you start off with some negative speed and accelerate in a positive manner, your velocity change is positive. And you do it for some time, your velocity change is going to go from negative 3 up into some positive territory. So if we drew a number line with velocities on them, here's 0 meters per second. I'll just put the origin there, and you start off with a negative 3 meters per second velocity. If your acceleration is positive, your delta V is in that direction. Remember, this is negative V and this is positive V. That's unusual, a velocity number line, but your velocity is going to, if there's some possibility that if you accelerate with positive acceleration for this amount of time, your delta V is going to end up being, or your final V is going to end up being up there and be positive. Let's figure out what that final speed is. Your final speed is your starting speed plus your acceleration times your time. This is the kinematic equation number 1. It tells us how fast we're going after we accelerate. Your initial speed is negative 3 meters per second plus the acceleration positive 2.5 meters per second times the time 9 seconds. Excuse me, the acceleration is meters per second squared. So positive 2.5 meters per second squared times 9 is going to give us the velocity change. Cancel the seconds with one of the seconds from there, and it leaves us with meters per second. So we end up with negative 3 plus some large positive value for the velocity change. Let's reveal it, what that velocity change is going to be. Huge. We go from negative 3 to 19.5, and the new velocity indeed is large and positive. So our new velocity out here, after we accelerate, that new velocity is positive 19.5 meters per second. So my delta V is positive, because my acceleration is positive.